Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input, so the second option, and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to scroll and find the language you'd like to apply. So after finding, simply tap on it and your device will immediately apply the specific language to the menu. Let's go back, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. And again, all you have to do is to enter the language, find the language you'd like to apply, and tap on it, go back, and this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.